Hello everyone, in this video we're going to look at using the Revolve tool. So up to this point we've used the extruded boss base and the extruded cut tool. The next one we're going to learn is the Revolve tool right here. So we're going to start with the sketch, just like before. Go on the front plane. The Revolve tool takes your drawing and spins it around a central axis point. So for example, if I wanted to make a sphere, my sketch will look like this, and the Revolve will take this curved shape and spin it around the central post. Okay, so when I exit sketch, okay, now I need to select my sketch. It's highlighted blue. Select Revolve. Okay, and it asks me for an axis of revolution in the property manager. So I'm going to click my center line here. And then my degree number. So if you don't want it to spin all the way around, you can turn this number down. So if you wanted a flat shape, I would change this to 180. Okay, and then see how it's flat on one side and then curved on the top there. So I'm going to put this back. Okay, and then that's pretty much it. There's blind, or you could have it go up to something else. So the green check mark, and that is how you make a sphere. Okay, so that was just with a simple curve. If I edit this and go back into my sketch, okay, whatever this outline is going to be kind of that outside shape. So if I did some other shape here, then it would copy that around. And it doesn't have to be curves, it can be whatever shape you put into there will get copied around. So redo that, select my sketch, Revolve base, choose my center line, and okay. So let me show you this problem real quick that I just messed up on. So I didn't connect these two lines. So that's a problem that can happen when you try to make something 3D. So if that happens, then you just have to go back into the sketch and make sure that all your points are fully connected up. Otherwise it won't be able to turn 3D. Okay, so now you can see that it's kind of like a top shape, and there you go. So that is a Revolve tool. You can follow along with that and just make a sphere on your own now, or if you want to try to make something else, that is up to you. But practice at least one shape using the Revolve tool.